Hello.
Hi, kitty.
Well, guys, at the cabin, the last big holiday weekend, I wanted to share with you the incredible colors. My display doesn't show it, but I'm pretty sure the camera picks it up. That's an intense pink. And over here we got some yellows, some blues. I wasn't going to do any recording tonight at all, but that I couldn't resist. Look at the color. I hope that shows the intense colors on the camera. I hope that shows. Get an overview of the whole sky. We get some awesome colors here at night. Awesome sunsets. Well, we'll see what tomorrow brings. We're going to be with the family. This will be our first full weekend just to enjoy, since we opened our store. We have been working. I might get my fishing poles out this time. We haven't got the fishing gear out this year. Tomorrow, I might do some fishing.